Hi there. If you're watching this on YouTube, or you're wanting to watch any of my content on my channel, or both for that matter, I would strongly recommend hitting the subscribe button and comment and like on any videos if you may wish, because this is a general audience channel. Also, this video is not made for kids, it is for older fans and adults alike. So please sit back and enjoy the video.
Hello YouTubers and welcome to another Disney Pixar Cars diecast review. Today we're going to take a look at Nile Speedcone, the saltflats racer number 523 from Cars on the Road. Before we dive right into the retrospective and review, let's start with his unboxing first. Here we have his artwork for Cars on the Road, the racetrack background, the Cars logo, blue sky, her name Nile Speedcone, her diecast sealed in, Mattel logo. On the back we've got as seen in Cars on the Road, metal, and the cars on the back are Cryptid Buster Lightning McQueen, Barney Cones, Margaret Motoray, regular Mater, which I'm still desiring the regular Mater with the working tow hook so I can do a comparison between him and the other regular Mater with a non-working tow hook, Nile Speedcone herself, and Caveman Lightning McQueen. So 4 out of 6 I don't have. 2021 Mattel, made in Thailand, Mattel, The Empire in the Next Generation Through Play, Disney/Pixar, www.disney.com/cars. And now, without any further ado, let's get her unboxed. Here we have her all opened up and out of the package. Nile Speedcone is a generic streamline race car who races for a racing team in Bonneville Saltflats and bears the number 523. During her appearance in the Cars on the Road episode, Saltfever, Nile was seen being pushed by Barney Cones forward, taking off forward down the flats, while Lightning McQueen and Mater arrived in Bonneville Saltflats during their road trip to a wedding. And like most Saltflats racers, Nile Speedcone hadn't had any speaking lines in the episode. During her diecast releases, she was released a few times. 2 times as a single, 1 time in a 2-pack with Kirsten Marshall, and once in a 5-pack with Road Trip Lightning McQueen, or in my case, Cars on the Road Lightning McQueen, Revo Coase, Royce Revsley, That's Jammin', and That's Jammin'. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the review. Here we've got her happy, friendly facial expression, her light green exterior paintwork, her brown eyelids, which are attached between eye pupils, which are attached to her light green eyelids and her windowsills. And on both sides, we got her yellow stripe, her wheels partially covered. 789, move I3, intake, I don't know what that says. Her two windows on each side. What number 523 in white? Nothing on the top. Her tail fin painted light green with yellow stripes. Her air intake. And on the back we've got her exhaust pipes or thrusters, or whichever. And on the undercarriage it says Disney/Pixar 2022 Mattel, made in Thailand. Now let's pull up some of the other saltflats racers. We have Revo Coase, Royce Revsley, Kirsten Marshall, Dax Jalen, Speed Demon, and Mark Sontheimer. And that is it. So what do you guys think? Which saltflats racer is your favorite? For me, I'm gonna say it's now Royce Revsley because I love Volkswagen Beetles. And which saltflats racer should I get next? Let me know what you think, as well as leaving suggestions in the comments down below. And if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos on my channel. And I hope to see you guys next time for another review, so please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye now!